Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel, Magical Drawing. Subscribe to me. Today we will draw and color cute peppers together. We need these colors: yellow, red, orange, and green. Did you know that bell peppers can come in different colors: red, yellow, orange, or green? Each color has its own unique taste and aroma. And also an important fact, bell peppers contain a lot of vitamin C. One red pepper contains approximately 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C plays an important role in supporting a healthy naming system.
dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
forget to subscribe and like me. I will be very happy.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
me. Did you manage to repeat the drawing? Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.